Yo, 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 guys, Maher is back with another video. Maher, what the hell? So, today I'll be playing a different game, guys. Different game, but it is still a horror game. You might be wondering why I stopped playing Granny. It's because I deleted it. It kinda gets boring now. I hate it. I don't like it anymore. That's the reason why. So, a friend of mine suggested me to play this game, alright? This game looks cool. Yeah? It looks better than Granny, I guess. So, without any further ado, let's get started! Oh my gosh. Let's do this. Turmokov. What the hell is this? No! Advertisements? Fuck! Apparently, the owner of this place, Mr. Miles, was a very rich man, and this means a fat paycheck for me. All I need to do is get the riches. The man disappeared some time ago. Just this one job, and I'll be set. Ooh, I like that. I'm gonna be rich. Ooh, I'm gonna be rich. Ooh, yeah. That's what I like, baby. Let's do this. Let's get the money, baby. Collect and use eye runes to check monsters' position and avoid it. Okay. I got you. Thank you. Okay, what is this place? Wow, this house looks cool. It's nice. Really nice house. It got nice walls. Even the pillars. Oh my god. Oh, the fireplace. Ooh. I can warm myself. Ooh, the chair. It looks so majesty. Majesty chair. Can I sit? Nope. Why? Okay. Let's get a job done. Let's find the money. I need to get the money, guys. Alright, there's nothing there. What about here? Books. Only books. What do we have here? Nothing. Can I play the piano? No. Shit, man. My hair. Fast. Ooh. Ooh. $2 already. Nice. Let's go. There's the eye. Get it. Good. Another eye. Ooh, kitchen. Wine. I want the wine. I want to drink it. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. I need to calm myself down. I need some wine. Ooh, another bag. Okay, what do we have here? Nothing. Nothing else matters. Let's go, guys. Okay, let's see where the monster is. The head monster. Monster head. Okay. I guess he is still far away from me. Oh, okay. Oh, nice. $4. Woohoo. Is he near me? Ah! Run, my friend! Hide! Shit! Holy smokes! Holy puta muta! Where's he? I'm not scared of you. My head is not scared of any monster head. Okay? My hair is a tough guy. Yes, my hair. Yes, good. What do we have here? Ooh. Another bag. Ooh. That's like 6 million already. I'm gonna be a millionaire, guys. Ooh. Nothing in here. Let's go. Which way to go first? Oh! Puta! Mario! Stu! Shit! Okay, let's revive. I have to watch advertisements. Fuck me. I have to watch advertisements. Shit. Okay, it's okay. Reviving. I'm still reviving. Okay. Brain out. What is this game? Okay, this game's. Oh, I have to break eggs. Okay. I'm back. Hey, what's the music? Huh? The fuck? Why can't I hear myself? Okay, let's go downstairs. Where's she? She's coming my way! Run! Run! Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness me. She's so fast. No, she's not fast. Granny is faster. But I kinda like these games more. I like these games more. Unlike Granny. Okay. What is this? Telephone? Can I call somebody? No. Can I call my future girlfriend? No. Medical documents. Ooh, a number. What is the number for? Okay. Eden. She's very near to me. What the hell is that? Ah. Open. Woohoo! 8 bags. Where is she? Okay, she's going away, I guess. Shit! No! What the who is calling me? Okay, pick up. Holy shit. What is she saying? Shut up! Shut up! Shut up, man. You're scaring me. Okay. I got a seesaw. Okay. Another number. Okay, look at these frames. Okay, a very cute little baby over here. Rat. Run, rat, run. Ah! Is she coming my way? Holy shit. Where is she? Let me check. Where is this place? Okay, I've been here. Ah! Run! Stupid! Shit, it's so scary. Shit! Okay. My goodness me. She makes really nice sounds. Anyway, I like that. Yeah. Okay. What do we have here? Nothing. Where are you, Mr. Monster Head? Miss Monster Head? What do you have here? Oh! Nice. What do you have here? Ooh! Clothes? Oh! Ooh! A secret place. A secret book. What does it say? Okay, it's blank. Okay. Whoa! Cool place. Looks like a place where they torture people. I guess this is where she's gonna torture me if she get me. Motherfucker. Ah! Is he coming? Where's she? Where's she? She's coming, she's coming. Shit, I have to hide. Okay, where is she? No, please release me, I'm sorry. What? Release you? You're trying to kill me. Stupid girl. Okay. Okay. This is the same way. Okay. Ooh. Okay, I've been here already. Ah! What the mother? Fuck. Stew. Puta. Holy smokes. That was scary. Where is she? Please, please, please. Please. Okay, okay. This is the same way. Please, please. What'd you make, son? What'd you make, son? Thing. Where are you? Let me check. Is she coming my way? Okay, let's see. Okay. Nothing. Okay, let's go down. Oh! Adan Hazan. Is this the map? Music, a tab, a candle. Where are you? Hello? I need 4 more. 4 more bags. Alright. Ah! Run for your life, my hair, my hair. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. Kami yang kriat. Guy. Ting. Ah! Okay. Holy shit. Look at the TV. I need to sleep, I need to sleep, I'm too scared, I need to get inside the bed. My goodness me. Let's go, let's go, let's go. My hair run, my hair run. Oh, my hair, oh, my hair is a man. Oh, yeah. Okay, okay. 3 more, 3 more. I'm almost there, I'm almost there, I'm almost there. I'm gonna be a millionaire. Okay, I need to save the eyes for later. No, for escaping, I need. Okay, where is she? Where is she? Okay. No, no, no! Close the door. You can't come inside. You have no hands to open the door. Yeah. Okay. Where's she gone? Great. Ooh. This is a really scary passage. I like this game, you know? Ah. I need to find a key. I need to find a key. Oh. There you are. 20! Find the exit and escape. Okay, some more. I'll take extra. Okay, I have had enough. I better leave this place. Okay, let me see. Where is she? Okay, she's going upstairs. She's going upstairs. Come on, this is the perfect time. Run. Oh, yeah. Okay. Woohoo! Guys, I did this! Oh no. Wait. It was her, I'm sure of it. It even looks similar. This place was supposed to be abandoned, and now I'm seeing. What the fuck? Fuck me. Shit. Stop disturbing me. I'm reading, okay? Ghost? I'm seeing her. Why I can't shake the feeling that she keeps calling me. Oh shit. That she's still in the shadows. What should I do? She is still in the shadows. Which means I have to get back in. Stupid. Okay. You escape in 12:46. Okay, 12 minutes. Okay. That's not bad. Location mansion. Great. Okay. I won. Oh my, this is chapter 1. Okay, chapter 2. I need 300 coins. Or I have to buy it at 249 rupees. I don't have that kind of money. I have to collect coins. I have to watch videos. Oh my gosh. How much coins will I get for a video? I guess few. Okay, this is all. Okay, guys. If you like this video, like and subscribe, guys. You can find this game on iOS and on Android. Go check it out. Go play it yourself. Oh, look, we have different levels over here. Okay. Oh wow. Expert mode, endless mode. Okay. So I'm gonna play this next time, guys. See you in the next video. Adios, puta.